Hi, this is a number 3 Cleco for using number 3 rivets. And what it does is it holds two pieces of aluminum together to allow us to rivet them together. So we drill a hole in the materials. This tool is a Cleco pliers. And basically with this shaft, when I depress it, you'll notice that what it does is the middle piece here goes up, which allows these two pieces to come together so it actually can go in the hole. And then when I release it, see it spreads apart and holds the two pieces together like that. Like a pull out when it comes to that.
It is. It's just like a mental pull.
It is.
Ready?
Oh. Where's that at?
That's when you keep dumping over on the way.
Oh!
Go back.
Yeah. Go. Get the count on it because we want to mark consistent. That could be a little bit, but let's get the count on so they're all perfect.
Of course. Oh, is that a little bit more?
Yeah.
Okay.
A little shorter.
A little shorter. Yeah. Drill. Straight down on it. Okay, good. Spin it one time. Straight up and down on it.
What do you need?
Number 6.
No, other direction. Perfect.
There should be some.
Now put your rivet in.
How many do you need?
4.
You need it right now?
I needed.
I mean, this
No,
instant.
I can't find it.
Okay, let me do these. I'll
tape
get
over.
up and find it for you.
Thank you.
There's ones with 7, 8, 6s, and all sorts. There's a bunch in one there.
Over here?
Yeah. In the big one.
Good. All right, do the next one. All right, I'm going over here. Sorry. Wait, I gotta get rid of the bottle. How does it look? Just a second. Other way. It's still like this where the river's placed. That's why. Well, the same thing is having a little bit up here because it's like this and then we rivet it together. You can see where the rivets are pulled down and then the rest of it out. If we wanted to straighten